Hello and welcome. So today I thought we would go over the um let's do the TR and the DR and maybe touch on the CHSH again. So the TR combination, such as TRAIN for train, train, choo choo, choo 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 choo, train. So that TR is more like a CH sound that kind of collects on that R on the back end before it goes into the next vowel sound. So trip, travel, try, tree, trace. We have a lot of TR words. Troop, troop. So you'll notice it sounds like kind of a little bit like the CH. So do that sound. And as you're trying to collect on that R, okay? The next one is a DR, like DRIVE. Instead of going derive, which is kind of actually sounds like a different word, we're going to force the DR to sound more like a J. J. It's not a CH, it's not a ch. Mm-mm. J. J. So my tongue is pushing pretty hard at the front, up in here, pretty close to the front where the teeth are, but not touching the teeth, right up on the top. And I'm gonna peel off, kind of j, 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 jump, January, July, June, justice. You can hear a little bit maybe of my voice in the background as it's like trying to come out, right? J, j. So first the vocal is trying to engage, but the tongue is really not allowing it to come through. So you just hear a little j. Like my initials are MJ, MJ, MJ. But it's so faint apparently when you are saying the J that you really don't hear that beginner sound. So the DR is more like a J sound. So drive, drain, drip. If I can't think of any more. Drive, drain, drip, drop, drove. There's some more. Okay, now the CH looks similar, right? But you're going to do a different sound. You're going to blow the air through your kind of your teeth. The front of my tongue is pushing again. Ha ha. And then I'm going to drop it. I'm gonna drop my tongue so that air can come out. And then the other one is air that's flowing over my tongue. Shh, shh. And we don't do that long, right? When we went like she. It's very quick. Inflation, inflation. Tonight is an SH sound, but it's not spelled as SH, like she, SHE. But hopefully that'll give you a little bit to work on. The TR, the DR, CH, and the SH. One thing you may try, I will put that in another video. All right. Thank you so much for being with me. I appreciate your time, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.